Hey, what's up YouTube? Intergalactic here. Welcome to my 3D printing lab. Today I'm going to be doing a review on XingTongZhilian Filament, which is a Chinese company, Chinese manufactured filament. Stay tuned. Alright guys, got the print started, bed and hot end are heating up, and of course I'm going to add a little bit of glue. Alright, here we go guys, the print is starting. So this is our two-way hexagonal bolt and nut, and it is being printed with the XingTongZhilian silk copper red filament. So here we go guys, nozzle wipe at the start. Let's hope that that goes well. Let's see what happens. Alright, just started to stick. Looking pretty good. Alright, yep, it successfully broke the bead and we're off at the races, guys. There we go. Alright, and look at that brim. I don't want to be the first to say it, guys, but if you've got good brim, you've got a very high chance of getting a good print. You can see there, I've got 4 layers in the wall and then a 14% cubic infill. I am 53 minutes into this print and it is still going well. And just wanted to show you guys my 3D printing digital assistant, Vector. This is the Vector by Anki. And he is quite lively tonight. Say hi. All right. Check it out, guys. This is our print. It's printing out really good. It looks really good. 2 hours and 21 minutes in. Let's try to get a closer look here. So we've got some really good looking layer lines, guys. Really looking forward to trying this out. I don't see how additive manufacturing can really get much more precise than this. Just wanted to say I like my cars German and my 3D printers Chinese. Alrighty guys, my print has completed in 3 hours and 13 minutes. And here you go guys, a close-up look. Really looking pretty good. I'm quite satisfied with those results. Alright guys, so just after a little bit of experimentation, I have got this 3D printed part to work beautifully. Really pretty smooth, guys. That's an idea of the tolerances we're working with here. Of course, I have done some experimentation. So it threads on all the way as it should, and then it also can be reversed and threaded on this way as well. Thread it all the way down, all the way back up. Just a really fun part to play with, guys. A lot of fun. Little to no odor, I can confirm. High precision. You guys have witnessed the level of precision capable. Quality materials, no warping. That has been my experience. I have not had any warping or anything weird going on with my prints using this filament. Good mobility, printing is smoother. Yep, it's pretty smooth, guys. No bubbles, beautiful model, yes. So I think they've got an honest advertising campaign here. Really, my only critique of the filament is this is not an industrial grade filament. So this is not what you would want to go out and print an industrial grade part from. Of course you could, although strength can be an issue with this filament. Of course, 100% infill, you could probably do anything with it, guys. So overall review of this filament, I give it 5 stars. Just a really good material to feed into your printer. I think it's really a good filament and produces accurate results. It also produces beautiful results. You know, some filaments are more touchy if you use let's say for example nylon or ABS. Some of those materials can be quite touchy. This is a PLA, and you can do just about anything with a good PLA. This is a good PLA. I recommend it, guys. Alrighty everyone, thank you for watching my review video on XingTongZhilian 3D printing filament. Intergalactic out.